fire under there.
There's a fire underneath there. Well, we're back here today, and we have Eddie with us, who's causing fires. But that sucks. That's okay. We have fire extinguishers. So what are we doing today? Eddie's here, and Eddie's going to be doing a lot of welding for us today. Try to give him a thumbs up, Eddie. How many fingers you got there? 2. And so today, Eddie's going to be welding up a lot of the stuff I did yesterday around the corners. We're going to be hammering tubing down the frame today. I don't want to hear the comments. I can already see them all right now. We're not cheating. This is fully allowed, and this is going to be extremely fun. To pound tubing down frame rails, something that we're not allowed to do here at all. I did put a lot of effort into this motor mount. I did change it up quite a bit from how it was yesterday. I went to sleep and I had nightmares about this motor mount. So, you know, average people dream of like winning the lottery. I dream about how this motor mount was going to screw me all this year. So, motor mount's been fixed, and it's now hockey pucked together. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be hammering some metal down the frame, and then we're going to be continuing welding. Hopefully today we can have a lot of the stuff done on the front of this car. We're hoping to have all the upper fender bracing done. We're hoping to have the tube in the frame. We're hoping to have the kickers from the dash bar, from the wiper bar down to the front frame rails all done today. So that's going to be a big amount of welding. So, let's see how much we can get done today. Oh no, step sis, are you stuck there? Oh, yeah. Oh no, step sis. We shouldn't be doing this. I don't know, guys. That felt wrong, but right at the same time. So now we gotta drive it home. Holy hell do we have to drive it. And I'm gonna take those bolts clean off of there. Making it past that? Nope. Shows you how experienced I am with this.
Notch the tube out.
I can't notch the tube out the whole way.
Well, just to get past it.
The bolts are going to keep going.
Yeah, that's true. And that's your training out.
We'll be right back with this.
Alright, here's the progress that we got done. So Zach's in the process of welding these down bars to the wiper bar and frame bar. We got the angle on, full welded. A little bit of a support here. You can tell there's the bar. We notched that bar out for the trans bolt. Yeah, so that's the process we got so far. I'll get you another video once he's got these done.
Well, guys, we've worked on this thing all day, Eddie and I. Monster time. There's been a lot of welding done to this. We slid the steel inside the frame. We've come up with some different ideas. We've got the strut tower braces all done. I'm really liking this thing. I see why you guys do a lot of your pro mod stuff, because it's kind of fun to build it. I'm out of metal, though, so I have to go buy some metal, and that's pretty much where we're going to end off today. But I want to show you what we've done. So what we've done is we've fully welded the upper braces. Eddie's put some different pieces of angle on the bottom. We've got the tubing in the frame. We got the kickers on. We got the strut tower braces. Anything else that we did, Eddie? I did the motor mount. I'll show you guys the motor mount here in a bit.
Motor mount, just what you said was what we did.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. But, you know, it doesn't sound like a lot, but when you're working on it all day, it's a lot. So let's take a look to see what we've done. So Eddie's welded up all this. We put this little brace underneath here to help space it out. We're thinking about adding another one here, but we haven't done it. We've got it welded across the front. We got the tubings slid in both sides. We got the kickers put on, all notched out and welded down. We got the strut tower braces on. Strut tower braces on, kickers, all this side done. The motor mount has now got 2 hockey pucks in it. I kind of like this. I like this. And by doing that, we made the motor mount a lot shorter so this pipe can actually clear. When it comes time, we're going to probably take this and just maneuver this to right there. That way, you know, we can still get all of our fuses. It's nice and mounted. And it's coming along really good. I think this thing's going to be pretty nice. We came up with some ideas from a lower cradle standpoint, and we're going to have to see how well it works. I think we're going to cut a little bit more off the bottom of this car in the front and go from there. But I think it's coming along pretty good. I think the front of it is going to be very heavy, but it's coming along very good. And yeah. So, it's coming along. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys back here later on Zach's workshop, but this car here is looking intimidating.